Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So once again, this is Jane Oandasan. Alright, so last week we tackled about how to earn money online. Okay, so we discussed about how to make your own Gmail account, how to make your YouTube channel, how to use your YouTube analytics, okay, and then how to be a YouTube partners. Alright, and now this is the part 2 on how you're gonna create or I mean how you're gonna make money online. Alright, so now what we're gonna discuss for now is all about how you're gonna get subscribers. Okay, so how can you have like 1,000 subscribers in just few days or in a before in a month. Okay, before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment. Happy 1,000 subscribers. You can also subscribe Jane's Vacation Rentals. It has vacation rentals at SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong. There's also in Silk Residences located at Santa Mesa. There's also in Bacoor, Cavite. It's the Amaris. Alright, so there are 4 things you need to know so that you can gain 1,000 subscribers in just few days. Alright, so the first one is topic or the title. So what topic do you want to discuss in your video? So that's the first thing you need to know. So this one is very important. It must be interesting so that you can catch the viewer's attention. So for example, you want to discuss about Dalgona coffee. So in your title, you can maybe put how to mix Dalgona coffee. Yeah, so in here it has 100 letter available in the back, so you need to maximize, you need to be specific so that the viewer can notice if this is the one he is looking for. Alright, so the second one is all about the descriptions. So in here, you need to input all the informations that the viewers would like to know. So this is the explanation of your topic or the title. And then explain everything. You need to attract the interest of the viewers. You can broaden your explanations, tackle everything about your topic. Then the third one is tags. These are the keywords you need to tag with so that if the viewers will type these specific words, then your video will be there as one of the content they are looking for. So if you get the best tag wherein you can be searchable, then yes, definitely you can gain many subscribers or many viewers. Then the last one or the number 4, it's all about the thumbnails. So you need to put a very nice thumbnail in your video. A thumbnail that is appropriate to your topic, and this thumbnail must be looked very interesting so that the viewers will have the sense to view your video. Alright, so now you know what are the 4 things you need to consider so that you can gain subscribers. Okay, alright, so anyway, aside from those 4 things, you need also to promote your videos. How you gonna promote it? Okay, so you can share it. Okay, so go to your YouTube, just click share and then click any social medias that you have. So for example, you want to go with the Facebook, then click Facebook. If you want to go with any other social medias, it's up to you. Alright, so that's all from now. Okay, thank you for watching.